Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make simple business loft in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make the basic shape with rotated rectangle. It start from this. Okay, we can type 6 meter or 6000 millimeter, and then we can drag it to the background 15 meter. Okay, just like this. It's about the basic shape, 6 and 15 meter length. Okay, then we have to push it up around 300 millimeter for the elevation from the landscape area. So then we can make it group anyway, and then we can make the terrace area. We can make the terrace area around 1500 millimeter. So then we can make the another wall over there. We can use a rectangle anyway. Okay, and then we can offset it inside with a wall width around 150 millimeter. So then we can erase it, and then we can push it up around 3600 millimeter, and it's done. And then we can make it group anyway. So then we can make the opening. We can make the opening by selecting type measure tool. So then we can set it up around 2400 millimeter, and then we can make the side wall thickness around of around 600 millimeter. I'm sorry, I repeat it, around 600 millimeter, and from the left to the right 600 millimeter also. And after that we can make the opening by click this object, then we can select rectangle, and then we can place on this position. Okay, so then we can push it to the back. Okay, and it's done. And then we can delete some unnecessary line over there, and we can also separate this floor, indoor floor and outdoor floor with elevation around 50 millimeter. Okay, and about it. Okay, and after that we can also make the door frame. We can make a door frame anyway. We can use the line, and then we can throw it over there just like this, and then we can make the thickness of it. We can set the 40 millimeter. So then we can select line. Okay, and then we can push it to the back around 150 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make it group anyway. So then we can select a color, and we can select a dark material on it, and then we can set the line from this to this position. Then we can divide it into the several part. Maybe we can separate it into the 4 part of it. Okay, and then we can delete it. Then we can make the frame over there. We can use a rectangle on it. Okay, and then we can push it to the left side around 40 millimeter. And then we can make it group, and then we can make component. Just create. After that we have to move it to the left side anyway. Okay, and then we can move it to duplicate to the left side anyway. So, and then we can erase some unnecessary line, and we can make the lower frame. We can push it to the up around 40 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make it group anyway. You can just press it. Okay, and then we can assign to the another position, and then we can make the door frame with the center position. Okay, and then we can make the frame with any thickness anyways, as proportional as possible. So then we can erase it, and then we can push it to the back around 40 millimeter. Okay, and then we can just make it group and assign with the same material. So then we can assign the glazing for the door panel over there, and then we can make a thickness, just a small thickness around 10 millimeter, for example. So then we can make the another glaze material with a glaze material option, and we can assign to it. Then we can make it group and make it component to create the same type of the door lift anyway. So then we can more duplicate it and then flip it along with the green axis. So then we can make the another glass panel on the right on left side with a rectangle, and then we can push it to the front around 10 millimeter, and then sign with the material. So then we can have to move it and duplicate it to another position. Okay, and then we can make the another floor, a second floor with a slab with a rectangle. So then we can select it all and select a scale when we have to move it, drag it to the forward. So then we can push it to the down around 400 millimeter, just for example. And then we can make the another wall on the second floor. We can make the another wall on the second floor. So then we can also make the same material of it. We can use it anyway for the second floor, and then we can also make the another barrier anyway. We can make the barrier over there. We can spread this indoor and outdoor floor with different level 50 millimeter. Okay, and then we can select the three outline of the balcony around 100 millimeter of the thickness. So then we can push it to the upper position around 100 millimeter of the height, and then we can also make the railing with select the three line over there. We can also offset it inside. And we can select the line again for the three line over there. I can select it, and then we can offset it inside, and then we can select it, and we can copy and exit from the group, and we can place in place. So then we can push it up around 1000 millimeter. Okay, and then we can triple click it, make group, and just make the glass material over there. And don't forget to make the another type of the wall over there with the rectangle. In here we can make the another type. Okay, so then we can move it to the front just like this, and then we can make it group and just make a component or not, it's depend on you. So then we can make the duplication of the wall. So then we can make the another material of it. We can make the slab and here, then we can push it down anyway, just something like this, and then we can make it group, and then we can make the another wall on this position. So we can just make it, group anyway, and then we can make the another wall over there. We can just use like this, push it to the front. Okay, just like this, make it group, and then we can move and press to the left side anyway, and then we can make push on the left side and make it group, and we can draw the another wall panel, additional wall panel anyway. We can make it group. So then we can make the another slab of the little slab on the bottom of the canopy. Okay, so then we can select it all, and we can select it, make it group, and we can make it component, create. So then we can move and duplicate it to the another position. And we can move, duplicate, and then we can type x5. Just for example anyway. It's just for example. So we can type, we can assign with the different color. We can using the lighting stucco white, for example. Okay, yeah, we can using violet. We can set the material of it. Okay, it's about just like this, and then we can explode it one by one. We can make unique. We can make unique or make unique. We can make unique and make unique. So then we can assign with any color as we want anyway. We can assign with any color as we want. We can use this orange color for the signage of each each signage over there. Okay, we can assign with the orange color, maybe, for example. So we can assign it with green color, for example. Okay, so then we can make all of it with the gray color, dark gray, or many more as we want. So then we can set it with the semi cream color over there. Okay, and many more. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.